This is not science fiction. This is the future.
This AI traffic robot manages traffic smoothly and reduces accidents. This AI cleaning robot works during the day to keep cities clean and pollution-free.
AI farming systems help farmers grow more food using smart technology.
Smart cities use AI to make daily life easier and safer. This AI robot checks health data quickly and safely. AI firefighter robots help control fires quickly and keep people safe.
AI robots clean solar panels to produce more clean energy.
AI delivery drones deliver packages quickly during the daytime. AI waste sorting robots help recycle materials efficiently. A woodland banshee is used to clear forests, cut trees, and remove bushes. AI rescue drones help save people during water emergencies.
AI smart bus stops give real-time travel information to passengers. AI weather systems analyze data to predict weather accurately.
AI gardener robots help grow and maintain plants efficiently. AI streetlights save energy by adjusting brightness automatically.
AI parking systems help drivers find parking quickly and easily.
AI park robots help keep public parks clean and green.
AI smart benches provide power and comfort in public spaces.
AI crowd monitoring systems help prevent accidents and overcrowding. This AI robot paints road lines accurately and improves road safety. AI solar drones collect clean energy directly from sunlight.
AI beach cleaning robots remove plastic and protect marine life.
AI delivery lockers keep packages safe and secure. AI drones inspect bridges and detect damage before accidents happen.
AI playgrounds make playtime safer and more fun for children.
AI irrigation systems use water only where it is needed. AI safety drones monitor construction sites to reduce accidents.
AI crosswalk robots help children cross roads safely. AI air quality systems monitor pollution and protect public health. AI rooftop farms grow fresh food inside cities.
AI water systems detect leaks early and save water.
AI school buses improve safety for children. AI sports trainers help athletes improve performance. AI fountains control water flow to reduce waste.
AI river cleaning robots remove waste and protect clean water.
AI pedestrian guides help people find the right path easily.
AI tree scanners help protect forests and parks.
AI outdoor classrooms combine nature and technology.
AI market robots help people shop faster and easier.
AI flood systems give early warnings to save lives.
AI bike lanes improve safety for cyclists. AI pet care robots help look after animals. AI bus shelters provide real-time travel information.
AI food carts prepare meals quickly and hygienically. AI energy systems monitor electricity usage and reduce waste. AI emergency robots respond quickly to help people in danger. Artificial intelligence is shaping a smarter and better future for daily life.
This is not science fiction. This is the future.